In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert data to Dropdown chips in Google Sheets. Whether you're a seasoned spreadsheet pro or a newbie just getting started, mastering this handy feature will not only make your sheets look more streamlined, but will also enhance their interactivity. To kick things off, let's begin by selecting the cells that contain your data. Imagine this. You've got a list of options or categories you want to streamline into dropdowns for quick access and oversight. Highlight exactly those cells. This is crucial because the dropdown menu will be applied to this selection. Once you've got your cells selected, it's time to dive into the menu bar at the top. You'll find yourself spoilt for choice, but for our purposes today, head straight to either the Insert tab and then click on Dropdown, or alternatively, navigate to Data and select Data Validation. Both routes will lead you to the same destination, a nifty panel that holds the key to converting your data. On this panel, you'll have a few elements to set up. First and foremost, you'll notice you have a choice between selecting Dropdown from a range or List of items. Each option has its charm. If your data lives in another part of the sheet, you might favor Dropdown from a range. But if you're working with a handful of specific items, stick to List of items. Add your values directly here, or if you've gone the range route, select the relevant cells from your sheet. With that decided, it's time to turn on the style. Under the section labeled Display Style, you're going to choose Chip. This is where the magic happens. Your selections will transform into colorful, clickable buttons, making your sheet not only practical but visually appealing. Now this part is optional, but it's a great way to add an extra layer of clarity and customization. Assign colors to each option from the dropdown. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with categories that benefit from visual distinction, like urgent versus non-urgent. Finally, when you're content with your setup, click on Done. And there you have it. Your cells have been converted into dropdown chips. With just a few clicks, you've transformed plain data into a dynamic, interactive experience. This technique can be a game changer when managing projects, sorting tasks, or analyzing data while injecting life into your spreadsheets. Remember, the more organized your sheets are, the easier your life becomes. Happy organizing, and until next time, keep those sheets in top shape.